Alam naman natin, nung unang unveiling ng alyansa candidates, dumidistansya na si Senator Amy, even going so far as to say na she wants to be an independent at neutral na senador, withdrawing nung una pa lang.
Maraming salamat. Talagang sakripisyo na tumayo ng mag-isa, pero kinakailangan maging malaya at matatag. Eto nga, maraming nagsasabi noon na ako'y namamangka sa dalawang ilog. Ang ninanais ko ay ako ang daan kung saan magtatagpo ang lahat ng ilog. Tangway, ika nga sa atin. It's a tremendous sacrifice to stand alone. But I need to be free to cross the line, to talk to all parties, and to get things done. Uniteam was a dream that I shared in 2022. And I hold fast to that dream of unity for all Filipinos.
But of course, bumalik rin siya dahil siguro bumaba na sa ranking ng mga senatorial balls kahit na according to the Nielsen ad rating and reported by the Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism na nasa 1 bilyon na ang kanilang nagastos with Camille Villar, daughter of the richest man in the Philippines, former presidential candidate, former senator, and former House Speaker Manny Villar at outgoing Senator Cynthia Villar. Tapos ngayon, aalis na naman. This time dahil sa irregularidad daw sa pag-aresto kay former President Rodrigo Duterte. To wit, I kinda agree. Although, wala namang pakiang ICC sa local constitutional rights ng mga akusado basta nasa kanila na yung akusado. And unfortunately, hindi rin siya in-endorse ni VP Sara Duterte. Womp womp.
Wala kaming napag-usapan, ma'am, about endorsement ni Senator Amy Marcos.